Hey gems, in this video I'm going to show you how I sealed these ends on these braids. First, I started off with doing a simple knot, like a slip knot, and I'm just going to knot it like 3 times, go around the braid, grab, pull, go around the braid, grab it, pull it. And then I am using nail glue. And I know the girlies is out here like, what? Make sure if you are doing this hairstyle, you braid way past your client's hair and then do the knots and then use the nail glue. Because if not, you get nail glue on somebody's hair, it's a wrap. You're going to have to cut it out. And I got a story for that. But anyway, just wrap around that. If you want to know my story, I'll do a short on it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to tell you the story. It gives PTSD to me all the time when I look at this nail glue on his hair. But I digress. Anyway. So you see me braid it down, then I do a knot, which is a wrap around, grab, pull, wrap around, grab, pull. And then I take the nail glue and I just put a little dot. You can get your nail glue from the Dollar Tree, the beauty supply. But anyway, let's get back into how you do it. You put it on the knot, the nail glue, and then you wrap the hair around it. You want to make sure the tip of this piece does not touch the glue, obviously, but you're going to rip it around and then you're going to grab you a clip and clip it in place until it dry. And that's pretty much how you seal off the ends. It's crazy because this hair can tangle very easily when installing it, but for some reason it will unravel. So you want to make sure you secure it. And to me, the slip knot wasn't enough, no matter how small I made it. It just seemed like it wasn't secured. So the nail glue really held it in place. Again, make sure you're going past your client's hair and then do the whole nail glue and the wrapping. And I wrap it around the knot. When I say it, I mean the hair. After I put the glue, I wrap the hair around the glue knot because it'll leave a dark mark on it. So by wrapping the hair, you're essentially covering up that dark spot where the glue is. If you want to see the full tutorial, click right here right now. Thank you. Subscribe.